Hello students, here is your math teacher Sanjeev Sikri. Today I'll take chapter 2 polynomials from standard 10. Polynomials chapter is there which you have already done in your previous standard 9. So I hope आपको polynomials के बारे में पता होगा what is a polynomial. But here we'll be taking two type of polynomials, three type of polynomials in standard 10: quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial and biquadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomials are those polynomials having degree 2, highest power 2. Cubic polynomials with degree 3 and biquadratic polynomials means degree 4. So the first concept is related to the quadratic polynomials today which I will be taking. So let's deal with it and then we'll be moving further to the cubic and then biquadratic polynomials. First of all, let me write a standard quadratic polynomial. Standard quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. You have already done these type of questions. Now suppose you are given a polynomial. Let me take it as fx. Fx is given, say 3x square minus 11x plus 10. This is the polynomial which is given to you. You need to find the zeros of this polynomial. पहला कंसेप्ट क्या है, आपने इसकी जीरोस फाइंड करनी है. दो पार्ट में ये क्वेश्चन डिवाइड है. फाइंड द जीरोस ऑफ द पोलिनोमियल एंड देन वेरीफाई द रिलेशन बिटवीन जीरोस एंड कोएफिशिएंट्स. तो सबसे पहला जो कंसेप्ट है फाइंड द जीरोस, मैं वो डिस्कस करता हूँ. हाउ कैन यू कैन फाइंड द जीरोस ऑफ दिस पोलिनोमियल. इसकी जीरोस फाइंड करने के लिए स्टूडेंट्स आपको इसकी मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट करनी पड़ेगी जो आपने ऑलरेडी 9th में कर चुके हो. So I hope I am supposing that you know how to split the middle term. तो मैं उसको क्विकली एक बार कर देता हूँ. तो कंसेप्ट आपने ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है. 3 10s are 30. 11 को ब्रेक करना है. So it is minus 5x minus 6x plus 10. Common will be x only. So you'll get 3x minus 5. Here it common is minus 2. So you'll get 3x minus 5. It is 3x minus 5 x minus 2. It means zeros of fx are, यहां से क्या आएगी 2 और यहां से क्या आ जाएगी 5/3. So being a quadratic polynomial you got two zeros 1 and 2. Now the second part of this question is we need to verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. तो रिलेशन को वेरीफाई करना है. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में स्टूडेंट्स दो रिलेशन आएंगे, वन ऑफ सम अदर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. सम ऑफ जीरोस एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस. सम ऑफ जीरोस मींस देयर एक्चुअल सम. लेट्स टेक देयर सम 2 plus 5/3 and product means their product. I hope it's clear. If I apply the sum by taking LCM 3, it will be 6 plus 5 which will be 11/3 and product will be 10/3. Now we need to verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. The coefficients are a, b and c. और रिलेशन वाई वेरीफाई करना है जीरोस और कोएफिशिएंट में. सम का रिलेशन याद रखना स्टूडेंट्स, इट इज माइनस बी ओवर ए एंड रिलेशन फॉर प्रोडक्ट इज सी ओवर ए. आई होप इट्स क्लियर. रिलेशन फॉर सम इज माइनस बी ओवर ए, फॉर प्रोडक्ट इट इज सी ओवर ए. तो सम हमने निकाल लिया 11/2. Now putting the values minus as it is. If I compare this polynomial with the standard polynomial, observe what is b minus 11. यहाँ पे लिख दे a 3 minus minus cancel 11/3. Just see both are equal. Therefore sum is equal to minus b over a. I hope आपको समझ लग गया. जीरोस का सम with the relation minus b over a, then zeros की product with the relation c over a. What is c? Last term 10, a 3. Just see, therefore product is equal to c over a. So both the relation are verified. Therefore relation is verified. So students, this is how you can verify. The question is find the zeros and verify the relation. पहले हमने मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट की, जीरोस आ गई, जीरोस का सम और उसका रिलेशन माइनस बी ओवर ए, जीरोस की प्रोडक्ट एंड रिलेशन इज सी ओवर ए. सो दिस इज अ रिलेशन फॉर क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल. सपोज यू आर गिवन अनदर क्वाड्रेटिक. मैं एक और क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल लेता हूं. सपोज the polynomial given is sorry, it is 3x square minus 6x. ये है polynomial. Now it is in the form of ax square plus bx, और c नहीं है, it means c 0 है यहाँ पे. So how to find the zeros of such polynomial? यहाँ से common निकालें, 3x common, inside will be x minus 2, यही आएगा. Therefore zeros of fx are यहां से 0, इसके साथ कोई प्लस माइनस वाली टर्म नहीं है, that means 0 will be 0 only, and from here it will be 2. So zeros are 0 and 2. Again verify the relation. First relation is of sum, other relation is of product. Sum of zeros means इनको 0 ऐड करेंगे, which is 2. Product of zeros means इनको multiply करेंगे, which is 0. Now if you remember, the relation for sum was minus b over a, and for product it was c over a. Minus as it is, compare it. What is b? Minus 6 over a, 3, minus minus plus over 3, which is 2. Just see. Therefore sum is equal to minus b over a. C, I told you at the start of the question, c is 0 over a, 3, so which is 0. That means product is equal to c over a. So relation is verified. I hope students आपको क्वेश्चन समझ आ गया ये वाला. So the last part which I am taking related to this concept, I am taking one more polynomial. Students, the first polynomial was in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. दूसरे में हमने लिया जब c 0 हो गया. Third polynomial, suppose I have say 11. When x वाली टर्म नहीं है, that means b is 0. When you will get this type of polynomial, you need to apply a square minus b square. It is a square minus b square. मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट यहाँ पे नहीं होगी, कॉमन यहाँ पे नहीं निकलेगा. Here it will be a square minus b square. 4x is a square of 2. 11. It is a square of root 11. Because it is not a perfect square, तो हम सीधा सीधा इसके ऊपर रूट डाल देंगे. Now apply 2x plus root 11, a plus b, a minus b. So I hope how to break the polynomial it's clear to you. Therefore, zeros of fx are, zeros of fx are, यहां से जीरो क्या आएगी, ध्यान से, माइनस रूट 11 ओवर 2, और यहां से क्या आएगी, प्लस रूट 11 ओवर 2. So we have two zeros, minus root 11 by 2 plus root 11 by 2. Now the next part of this question, verify the relation sum and product. Sum of zeros means we'll be adding these, minus 11 by 2 plus root 11 by 2. Minus root 11 by 2 plus root 11 by 2, 0. Multiply करेंगे, minus root 11 by 2 multiply by plus root 11 by 2, minus as it is, root 11 into root 11, 11, 2 into 2, 4. So I hope it is clear to you how to find sum and product. And the relation was minus b over a for sum, and for product it is c over a. Let's put the value. Minus as it is, b. मैंने आपको पहले कहा था x वाली टर्म नहीं है, that means b is 0, a 4, which gives you 0. Identical. Therefore sum is equal to minus b over a. Product of zeros, let's multiply. Sorry, it was c over a. What is c? Minus 11, a 4, equal. Therefore product is equal to c over a. So this is, you can say, here again relation is verified. So students, this is one type of questions when you are given the polynomial and you need to verify the relation between sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. So students, this is question 1 from exercise 2.2 of your NCERT notebook. Try these type of questions, and प्लीज कीप ऑन फॉलोइंग माई चैनल मैथ्स विद संजीव सिकरी। थैंक यू वेरी मच।